Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the unknown NT operating system error code 10 detected on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you are having an issue with this when attempting to do an upgrade, let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type CMD, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. You just need to copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. If your computer have any corrupted files, it will be help you to fix it guys. And the another one command you just need to use after this verification need to get 100%. After finishing this, you just need to copy the second command and pasted it guys. And after finishing this both command 100%, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, you may want to consider re-downloading the installation media again if you are having still problem. Hopefully a problem will be resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.